One of the options for this 2021 Honda CR-V is remote start. And in this video, I'll show you how to start the CR-V to get the interior comfortable before driving off. On the key fob, the engine start button is the one with the circular arrow. And what you have to do is press the lock button once, then immediately press and hold the start button for about 5 to 6 seconds until the engine fires up. The turn signals will also blink 6 times. In remote start mode, the CR-V will run for 10 minutes and then shut off. And at any point while the engine is running, you can extend the warm-up time another 10 minutes by repeating the auto start process. You can also shut off the engine by holding the start button on the key fob. And you don't have to worry about someone taking off with your car because at this point, the doors remain locked. But I can enter the car just like normal. In remote start mode, the ignition button pulses white, and in the winter, the heated seats are turned to high, but the indicator lights stay off. The fan blower is also set to high. In the summertime, the AC would turn on with the recirculation button active. But when it's cold like today, the heat is set to 72 degrees with the front and rear defrosters turned on. You wouldn't be able to tell because none of these indicator lights are lit up. But when you're ready to go, just press the brake pedal and hit the ignition button. This will switch the CR-V or any other Honda out of remote start mode and into normal operation. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.